actually got out of bed, got dressed, and put makeup on for the day. Yay me! Now in this video we're going to be looking at some of the gardening supply items that have recently come in. I'm expecting to get some more. The seeds aren't all in yet, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of some of the tools that I'm buying to start a garden from scratch, because it's taken me a lot of time, effort, and research to kind of figure out what I'm going to need to be able to do it. So let's get to it. And stab, stabby stab. Let's see what we've got here. Yas. Alright. So, what are these doohickeys, you may be asking? These are clamps. Hi, Loki. Unexpected bangle cam. These are little clamps, make sure you can see them, that you put around tomato vines and other climbing plants so that you can hook them to stakes in the ground that you have put in there so that you don't have to pay for those really, really expensive tomato cages. I mean, those things can go like $10 a piece, at least right now, what I was looking at. I got this pack of about 100 for around $8, including the shipping. And you only use a couple of them per tomato plant. So, I mean, it's a heck of a lot cheaper than using the cages. You just have to have a pole of some kind that you've stuck into the ground that you can clip onto. But yeah, so those are pretty cool.
Several hours later.
Okay, let's get ready to see what we've got here. You can see I have sprayed down all of the packages with all kinds of stuff, just for disinfecting purposes. Again, it's not because I really think that packages are going to be a big mode of transmission. It's just an extra safety precaution. So let's get in here, see what we got. All of this should be supplies, like I said, for gardening and chickening and all that stuff. So, we have garden supplies here. Yes, we do. Starter pots. So, let me see. These are 50 pots each, so 100 starter pots to start my little plantings. Awesome. I live in, like, a really northern climate, so we don't even start our seeds as early as some people do because it's going to be longer before they can be in the ground. But I need to get the seeds started this week so that they'll be ready in time when the last frost comes. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, wait. Okay, this right here, these are hinges that I picked up. Heavy-duty hinges for expanding the fence line and doing some repairs on the chicken coop. I want to replace some of the hinges, so that's what those are. And due to the supply shortages and stuff, you can see that I've had to kind of go to several different online retailers to find things. A lot of times when I couldn't get something on Amazon, I had some okay luck on eBay. Although eBay can be like a little trickier to make sure that, you know, you're not getting scammed. But alright, what are you? Okay. So this is the pickaxe, and I'm not sure how it goes together. Obviously it goes like this, but so what is this? I can't figure out how it works. So you're supposed to, oh, so you go like this, and then you bang it into place so that it holds. Okay, neat. That's really cool. I will put all of the affiliate links that I can to the items that I've bought here. Having affiliate links, they don't cost you any extra money if you choose to buy through them. They just help support my work and what I do. I will never put a link to something that I have not bought that I'm not already using. I just figured, since how I've been struggling to get the money together for a lot of these projects online with the website and getting the channel functioning, that I would put it out there. But by no means is anybody obligated at all to buy anything. So yeah, Pickaxe. Alright. What's next? Let go. Oh my goodness. I guess I can't complain that places have been like really, really well taping their stuff. It's just makes it really hard to get to get into. They folded the cardboard over the tape, so I can't just cut the tape. I'm having to cut the cardboard too. There we go. Ugh. By the way, all these Band-Aids on my hand are not from cutting myself with knife. It's all the paper cuts from opening up packages. So. Yes! Okay, hold on a second. Let me get this out of the way. This is my cultivator. It is going to make my job so much easier. You can see that it's got these like twisted tines on it, and it's really heavy duty made. It's heavy. You drive it into the ground, and then you stomp on it with your feet, and then you twist and pull, and it rips up the soil, aerating the soil to help you cultivate it. It's a heck of a lot more efficient than doing it by hand with a claw or a lot of other methods like using a hoe. So I'm really, really grateful that this came in. Alright. Move all this. We've got the one left. I already cut the tape on it, so I already know what's in it. But, heavy. This is the soil I'm going to be starting all of my plants with. Let me get this up here. This is my favorite brand of soil. They're absolutely amazing. All natural compost and fertilizing. There's no, my face isn't here anymore. There we go. There is no chemical fertilizers added to these. They have several different mixes depending on what you're going to be growing. And I got a really, really good deal on these on eBay, I believe. So if I can, if the link is, if the listing is still up, I'll link it in the description below for you guys. All right. So that is it. That is today's delivery of supplies to be able to do gardening and raise chickens and to really start getting some food production going on our property. We've got about 1.5 acres of land that we're going to be working with, and we're really excited to get started, and I'm really excited to be able to share it with everybody. It's very important that as many people that can do something like this do this, because make no mistake, with the way the pandemic is going, we have a cat. Loki!
Loki.
With the way that things are going and the speed of the spread of the infection and just the numbers themselves, the data itself, it tells us that we're going to have a lot of people sick, and those people do include everybody who is in the food supply chain. So the more pressure we can take off the food supply chain, the more resilient it will be. Just like the healthcare system, we want to keep it from collapsing. We want to do as much as possible to put less stress on those two most important systems, food supply and healthcare. So, if you have the ability to food... More videos about the hatch along with the chicken eggs will be coming out as the week goes on, as well as more content as I continue to work on my long-term preparations for emergency situations. The algorithm apparently in YouTube, they don't like it if I actually use the word for the situation we're in. So we'll just call it the situation. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.